Next up, strawberries. Dole chef-ready cuts diced and sliced strawberries give you a versatile, consistent product that works in a wide range of dishes. We have two different cut options here to choose from. So first, let's talk about choosing the right cut. Diced strawberries are going to be a smaller cut, so this would be your preferred cut for applications that need a smaller, delicate cut, like a fruit salsa or a jam. They're also great if you're serving younger children or individuals who need smaller, bite-sized options. The sliced strawberries are your go-to when you want more flavor per bite, such as salads or parfaits. Today's featured recipe is Strawberry Olive Goat Cheese Bruschetta, an appetizer that's as flavorful as it is easy to make. For this application, you could use either cut depending on what flavor profile you want to achieve. For a sweeter flavor profile, go for sliced, as you'll have a more pronounced strawberry flavor. If you want a more balanced, sweet and salty flavor, choose diced to let the brininess of the olives shine. Today we're using our diced cut. Start by toasting, baking, or grilling your bread slices. If grilling, make sure to brush each side with olive oil to avoid sticking to the grill. We have our pre-toasted bread slices ready to go. Now we're going to put together our topping, which includes a cup of Dole chef-ready diced strawberries, a cup of sliced olives, 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme leaves, and some salt and pepper. We're going to mix that all together. To assemble, spread about 2 tablespoons goat cheese onto your toasted bread. If you're using goat cheese straight out of the fridge, it can be more difficult to spread. So for an easier application, allow it to sit at room temperature for a few minutes first. Now, top that with a spoonful of your strawberry olive mixture. Then drizzle with a little balsamic glaze, and it's ready to serve. This recipe is a great appetizer or shareable and can also easily translate to any brunch menu. You'll notice with this recipe, we played with multiple flavor profiles. Strawberry plays really well with both salty and tangy applications. Cheeses like feta and goat cheese offer a great counterbalancing flavor. Strawberries also pair well with lighter proteins such as chicken and salmon. Then of course, you have your classic strawberry dishes such as smoothies and desserts. Strawberry cobbler is one of my favorites, but we'll save that recipe for another time. Our next featured fruit is going to be a tropical one. Join us for our next feature on Dole chef-ready cuts mango cubes.